What's up, internets? VisualTimmy here, and if you have an iPad, maybe even an Apple Pencil, and like to use the app Procreate, then I've got something that you need to check out. It's called my Creator XL bundle, and it's got 400 brushes, 60 color palettes, and free lifetime updates. When this bundle first started, it had around 20 to 30 brushes. Now it's topping out at over 400, and I keep adding brushes to this whenever I see fit. As we scroll down, you can see that there's some crazy good reviews, over 560 5-star reviews. You can see that there's 400 brushes included. That's not just regular brushes or stamps. There's all of these things included. 9 brush packs. We've got sketching, textures, halftones, stamps, patterns, grunge, stippling, and gradients. All of these packs, each in themselves, have tons of brushes inside. For example, the grunge dirty overlay brushes, there's over 111 of these instant one-tap texture stamps that can add texture to your work, boom, in one stamp. You can use the selection tool, you can mask off different areas, and then boom, stamp some texture on top. They are an absolute game changer. The sketching brushes, they've got pretty much everything you're going to need for sketching. There's light brushes, thin brushes, brushes that work differently if you use the side of the pencil versus scratching on the top. We've got halftones. These are all pressure sensitive. All of these brushes are fine-tuned for the Apple Pencil, but if you don't have one, they will still work fine with your finger or any stylus. Moving on, we've got 60 color palettes included. These things are super rad because you can just boom, drag and drop them into Procreate, and all of these color palettes will pre-fill into your Procreate color palette section. So then you can press add to default, and use that as your default color palette. Going through, you can drag these colors into your artwork using recolor tool, or just simply dragging them right in, and you can recolor your artworks so fast with any of these pre-made vibe-curated color palettes. Coming down here, you can see that we have some customer art that I've featured. These people are great artists. You can see all of this cool stuff that they've done using this bundle, this exact bundle. There's a ton of work in here. All of these artists, I constantly feature them on my Instagram because they're making such cool stuff all the time with the bundle. I couldn't ask for a better community to be creating amazing work with my tools. Again, this includes 9 Procreate kits. So 8 of the kits are brush packs, 1 of the kits is filled with color palettes. So we're talking 22 ink pens and sketching pencils, 47 noise and grunge brushes, 29 pop art halftone brushes, 78 seamless patterns, 12 stippling brushes, 111 one-tap instant texture overlays, 119 glyphs, icons, analog marks, brush marks, simple stamps, badge shapes, and so on and so forth. Plus we've got the palette vault, which has 60 palettes that you can jump right into, and then the quick tools, which has 20 extra brushes that didn't really fit in any of the other packs. There's gradients, repeaters, grids, and even a stamp tool for your logo. So there's so much in this bundle. You get it all. It's an instant download. You also get free lifetime updates when I add new brushes, an extended commercial license so you can use all of this work in any of your commercial projects, any of your online sales, merch, NFTs, whatever you might want to use them for. You get a full extended commercial license to do just that. Quick and easy install guide and helpful customer support. I'm on the other end. If you need to email me, if you need help getting them installed, I'm right there to help. And yeah, I think you should check it out. If you're like doing digital art, if you like creating on your iPad, then you're going to want to check this out because I've gotten tons and tons and tons of reviews of people telling me that it really changed the way that they use Procreate. So I want you to check it out too. Let me know what you think.